Welcome to Study Loop.
Let's start by drawing a picture. So here is a road which is inclined at an angle of 14 degrees, and the length of the road is 154 meters. So the first thing we need to do is be able to calculate this h. So from trigonometry, h is equal to 154 sine of 14 degrees, and that is equal to 37.3 meters. Now the initial velocity here is what we do not know, and this is also the lowest point, so we can say that the potential energy at this point is 0, and when the truck reaches the highest point, the final velocity will be 0, which would then give me that the final kinetic energy will be 0, and it will have some potential energy. So law of conservation of energy says initial kinetic energy plus initial potential energy is equal to final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. So we start with 1/2 mv naught squared plus 0 is equal to 0 plus mgh. We can cross out the m's. So 1/2 v naught squared is equal to gh. If I isolate v naught in there, that comes out to be equal to square root of 2gh. So let's put some numbers in there. So 2 times 9.8 times 37.3 and take the square root. So the initial velocity of the truck comes out to be equal to 27.0 meter per second.